Good day, dear students. Welcome to our math class. So for today's lesson, I will be discussing to all of you the discriminant and the nature of roots. So una, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng discriminant at para saan natin siya ginagamit? And ano yung relationship niya dito sa ating quadratic equation? So when we say discriminant class, this is the value of the expression b squared minus 4ac in the equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ginagamit po natin si discriminant para ma-describe natin kung ano yung nature ng roots ng isang quadratic equation. Sa discriminant or yung b squared minus 4ac, meron po tayong pwedeng apat na maging value niya. First, pwedeng maging 0. Next, pwedeng maging positive number and perfect square. Pwede rin namang maging positive number but not perfect square. And yung pang-apat, pwede pong makasolve tayo ng discriminant na negative numbers ang sagot. Yung apat po na cases na yan, yun po yung magbibigay sa atin ng mga clues para malaman natin kung ano yung nature ng roots ng isang quadratic equation. So for the next video, I will be giving an example for each cases. So let us have an example class. We have x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. For us to solve for the discriminant of this example, ang unang gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung mga value ng coefficients a, b, and c. In our example, we have a as 1 since wala kayong nakitang katabing number ng ating x square or quadratic term. Yung b natin is negative 6, while yung c is positive 9. After nating makuha yung mga coefficients na yan, isa-substitute po natin yan sa discriminant which is b squared minus 4ac. Upon substituting, ito po yung ating magiging expression. We have negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9. Then afterwards, we need to simplify the expression. Negative 6 raised to 2 or squared is positive 36. So bakit po naging positive 36? Because we need to multiply negative 6 by itself. So we have negative times negative is positive and 6 times 6 is 36. Kaya naging positive 36. Then, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Times positive 9 is negative 36. So we have 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. As you can see, the discriminant of this quadratic equation becomes 0. If the discriminant is 0, therefore, the nature of roots that we have is always real, rational, and equal. Or, para mas mabilis nating matandaan, pwede nating sabihin na RRE. Let us take example number 2. We have here 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. First step, we need to identify again the values of a, b, and c. In this example, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 2. After natin ma-identify yung coefficients, we need to substitute that in the expression b squared minus 4ac. And upon substituting, we have this expression 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2. Then simplify. 5 squared is 25. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Times 2 is negative 16. We have 25 minus 16 is equal to positive 9. And as you can see, the discriminant of this example is positive 9. And positive 9 is positive number and a perfect square number. Kapag ganyan po ang ating naging resulta sa discriminant, then ang magiging nature po ng ating roots ng quadratic equation ay laging real, rational, and not equal. And para mas mabilis nating matandaan, pwede nating sabihin na are run. Let us take example number 3. So in this example, we have 5x squared minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, ang unang gagawin natin is to identify the value of a, b, and c. In this example, we have a is equal to 5, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to negative 2. After nating makuha yung ating mga coefficients, substitute natin sa expression b squared minus 4ac. Then we have this expression. We have negative 4 squared minus 4 times 5 times 2. Then simplify. Negative 4 squared is positive 16. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Times negative 2 is positive 40. 16 plus 40 is 56. And as you can see, our discriminant is 56. And 56 is a positive number, but it is not a perfect square. Kung ganyan po ang naging case ng pagsosolve natin or yung naging value ng ating discriminant, again, positive but not a perfect square, always remember that the nature of roots is always real, irrational, and not equal. Or pwede nating tandaan yan, sabihin na lang natin na rerun. Alright, so let us have the last example for today's lesson, example number 4. So we have here 6x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again, yung una natin gagawin is to get the value of a, b, and c. So we have a is positive 6, b is positive 3, and yung ating c is positive 2. After nating makuha yung mga coefficients, substitute na natin sa b squared minus 4ac or sa discriminant. So we have 3 squared minus 4 times 6 times 2. Then simplify. So 3 squared is positive 9. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24 times 2 is negative 48. 9 minus 48 is equal to negative 39. And kung mapapansin ninyo, yung discriminant natin sa ating example number 4 ay negative 39. Ito ay isang negative number. So kapag nagiging negative yung ating discriminant o yung nasa-solve natin sa discriminant ay negative numbers, lagi po nating tatandaan na yung nature ng roots natin ay magiging no real roots. Or mas madali nating matatandaan kung gagamitin natin yung ating palatandaan na NRR. Okay, so bago tayo mag-end sa ating lesson about the discriminant and the nature of roots, so ano nga ba yung ating relationship o yung relationship ni discriminant dun sa quadratic equation? So as you can see, kahit hindi po natin isolve kaagad yung roots ng isang quadratic equation, mabibigyan na po tayo ng hint kung anong nature, kung anong klase ng mga roots yung ating masasolve kapag ginuha lang natin yung ating discriminant. So para mas matandaan po natin yung discriminant, ito po yung summary ng ating pwedeng maging nature ng roots with the corresponding discriminant. Okay, so that is the end of our lesson for today. See you again in our next class. Bye-bye!